EZRP Harare Province recently held a public transport stakeholders meeting on Tuesday, the 6th of February in Harare, where they addressed issues to do with public transport operators and the way business is being operated in the city. They also spoke about issues to do with the way vendors are congested in the city, as well as the new system that was designed to detect buses that will be overspeeding.
As VID, I would like to touch on the technical requirement of SI 118 of 2023 on speed limiting and speed monitoring devices. What is very important to observe in that SI is the qualifying parameter. It requires it requires vehicles including omnibuses and trucks with net mass 4,600 kgs and above to comply with the SI. We have two categories in this. We have omnibuses and trucks. We'll ensure that in case of a bus, it doesn't exceed 100 kilometers per hour. In respect of a truck, 80 kilometers per hour. If it's a Chinese bus and they landed in Zimbabwe before the SI and without an inbuilt speed limiting device, you are required to adapt an external gadget to ensure that it limits real-time the speed of that equipment.
The event was attended by Officer Commanding Police Harare Province Commissioner Wanda Tembo, Assistant Commissioner Taone Nyazema, National Police Spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati, and senior officers from the Harare Metropolitan Police. Also in attendance were the Vehicle Inspection Department, Econet Wireless, Harare City Council officials, Harare Metro Police officers, as well as various bus and public transport operators associations representatives. National Police Spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati had this to say.
When we make our commitments, the commitments have to be honored. When we make commitments, the commitments have to be real. Because policy, does support. Road safety, does support. Road safety is a collective responsibility. Yes, police should have a key role to play, but any more stakeholders will pay so that you make the job of this Zimbabwe public police easy. But most of the time, I have a challenge. To be honest, most of the time they phone out propo. So to not any more operators we will play pain because the challenge currently abuse of my association stickers. This is rampant, particularly in Harare. Most of the time, no phone is Motikari yakanzi Gako, yakanzi Zudhaki, yakanzi Ameno, Harare Youth what? You need to drive against oncoming traffic. In full glare of the cameras. And these days there is social media. So those who share commitments then you also check in your drive against one way name robots. Test and bus. Mabasi maombecha unoona kuti uya against oncoming traffic. Then you tend to one out. What is his attitude towards road safety? We so that's why I'm saying some of these commitments, let's let us be real.
NeMapurisa, the system diet kitawara tiri kuchechi taiti this is the spiritual 100. Zvinongoitika chinyavada chinyarire results achibuda. But kana uri kuchechi, there are certain times when people deal with my congregants spiritually, but there are also times when people are dealt with physically, isn't it? So if the spiritual system is not working, the physical system continues to work. Saka kuna reprieve iripo. But the whole idea ndeyekuti ngatibatsiranei, anditi zvakanakira imi, zvakanakira isu Mitemo, zvakanakira nyika, zvakanakira passengers edu. So what we simply need to do is, or although Mitemo usati wakukupinza musystem, but we still want to see some commitment from you.
Lucia Majo reporting for Bahasha TV.